finished recording, I realized it only recorded for 4 minutes and then it went to blank screen. So, what did I do? Explain this. That's important. It stopped right here and I was graphing cost. Make sure you label an income. And then when you explain here, I didn't realize this is different. It's going to be on your test explaining this. What it means, this is different. Which the 3 and 30 is where you should got $3 for 3 hat for $30. 3, which means if the band sells 3 hats, they would make $30. Okay, that's the income line. But also explain that cost line. But it also costs them $30 for that 3 hat. Okay, so basically your profit is 0. That's $0. Make sure you explain that you're making really nothing, because if it costs you $30 and you collect $30, you get nothing. And then I did this one, why it's one solution, explain. Okay, and then I did this, and you should know how to do these. And then we did this in class, right? It's going to be on the test like this too. And then here's the x and y intercept we did in class. But we didn't in class. I was 2 minutes left, so you need to explain what this means here and what this means here. So Denisha worked 36 hours because x represents Denisha hours, and Tanya worked 0 because y represents Tanya's line. And then you graph it, make sure you number it right. Same thing here. Sheena, I don't know how to. I'm sure I had a student by this name, guys. That's why I came up with it. 0 worked 0 hours, while Tanya worked 24 hours. That's what it means. And here, this is easy because they say let x represents the fruit. So fruit here gets the x. Let y represents number of pasta. So y serving a pasta. And because hours days per day is crossed out, is because the question is writing an equation for each day. So because they want that, that means each does not mean per, there does not mean times. And then x-intercept, y-intercept, explain what it means, label. Okay. And then I went over this. The first one here, you just need to explain first. You found the area of triangle based on side divided by 2. I multiply 16 times 8 and then divide by 2 to get that. Next, find the area of a triangle by multiplying 16 times 6 to get this. Last, I add them to find the area of shaded region. Same here. The only thing you need to do here is then find half a circle here. We notice that the radius is missing, therefore we need to do Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find a diameter, where a is 12, b is 16. And after that we find the diameter is 20 centimeters, therefore the radius is 10. And then we put it into the radius into the area formula. We get the answer of that. Last we subtract. Explain all your steps in detail. As detailed as you can. Okay? That's how we do that. And that's everything here. And Friday's homework will be on your test.